Hi folks, Bill Ferg here, introducing Illy Coffee. Finish a great night of food with a great coffee, Illy Coffee. We have here Alicia, who's our barista, here to make you great coffee. Alicia, how are you?
I'm very good, Bill. How are you?
Very good. Tell us a little bit about Illy, please, Alicia.
Illy is probably one of the toppest brands all around the world. Worldwide well known for its 100% Arabica beans and 9 different beans on the blend, which is the only product around the world to give us that privilege.
So it is unique. It's unique to other coffees.
That's right. It is unique because with our 9 different origins, we can get a lot of aromas out of it, and we can create lots of different beverage.
Today you're making me a espresso?
Of course, espresso, which is the right expression for quick coffee.
I might have a quick sip.
After that, we're gonna make it a beautiful cappuccino.
You do a beautiful mocha using Illy coffee.
One of the beautiful characteristics of Illy that we got a bit of a chocolate taste to it. So we'll cut really nice through with some chocolate sauce and milk. For an after dinner, we're gonna prepare a beautiful espresso martini, a little bit of honey to get a bit of a nice texture to it. And then we're gonna mix it with 30 ml of Kahlua and 30 ml of vodka Belvedere. Put it in. Okay, so then we're gonna shake it. As I say, the shake is probably one of the most important parts, so we can have this beautiful cream on the top. We top it up with our 3 beautiful Arabica beans.
There we have it, folks. That is called a
Illy Espresso Martini.
Only at the Lobster Cave, folks. Please enjoy.